How to fix Instagram story music not working. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram, and then if it's not working, hold on to the Instagram, then press on app info at the top. After you click on app info at the top, here you'll find storage and cache, which is the third option. Click on storage and cache, then click on clear cache at the top. Click on clear storage. Press on OK. After that, you will need to log into your Instagram account again. After you do that, you can open your Instagram, log in, and then your story music will be fixed. This is how to fix Instagram story music not working. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.